The agricultural revolution was a turning point in human history. It marked a shift from hunting and gathering to farming. This change allowed humans to settle in one place. It also led to the development of villages and later, cities. Agriculture is the foundation of our civilization. It provides us with food, fiber, and other essential resources. Understanding the history and impact of agriculture is crucial for appreciating its role in our world. The transition to agriculture began around 10,000 years ago. This monumental shift marked the end of the nomadic lifestyle that humans had followed for millennia. Instead of constantly moving in search of food, early humans began to settle in one place. This period, known as the Neolithic Revolution, saw the domestication of plants and animals. It was a time of great innovation and adaptation, as humans learned to cultivate the land and breed animals for their benefit. Early humans began cultivating crops like wheat, barley, and rice. These staple crops provided a reliable source of food which allowed populations to grow and communities to form. The cultivation of these crops required knowledge of the seasons, soil, and water management. They also started herding animals such as sheep, goats, and cattle. These animals provided not only meat but also milk, wool, and labor. The domestication of animals was a crucial step in the development of agricultural societies. The exact reasons for this shift are debated. Some theories suggest that a changing climate made certain areas more suitable for farming, while others point to increasing population pressure that necessitated a more reliable food source. However, climate change and population pressure likely played a role. As the climate warmed after the last ice age, new plant species became available, and human populations began to grow, creating a need for more efficient food production methods. As humans learned to manipulate their environment, they gained a new level of control over their food supply. This control allowed for the development of surplus food, which could be stored for future use or traded with other communities. The ability to produce and store surplus food led to the rise of complex societies and the eventual development of cities and civilizations. Early farmers used simple tools. Digging sticks and hoes were used for planting and harvesting. These tools were gradually replaced by more advanced implements. The plow, invented around 4000 BCE, revolutionized agriculture. It allowed farmers to cultivate larger areas of land. The development of irrigation systems further increased agricultural productivity. By diverting water from rivers and lakes, farmers could grow crops in previously dry areas. Agriculture led to a more settled way of life. People no longer needed to travel constantly in search of food. This allowed for the development of permanent settlements. These settlements grew into villages and eventually, cities. The surplus of food and resources also led to specialization of labor. Some people could focus on farming while others developed crafts, trade, and governance. This was the dawn of complex societies. This period marked a significant transformation in agricultural practices, laying the foundation for modern farming techniques. The Second Agricultural Revolution began in the Middle Ages, a time when Europe was undergoing significant social and economic changes. This era saw the introduction of new farming methods that would change the landscape of agriculture forever. It was marked by several key innovations that revolutionized the way farming was done. These innovations were not just technological but also methodological, impacting the efficiency and productivity of agricultural practices. These included the three-field crop rotation system and the heavy plow. The three-field system was a major advancement over the previous two-field system, allowing for more efficient use of land and resources. The three-field system helped to maintain soil fertility by rotating different crops through 3 fields, ensuring that the soil remained nutrient-rich and productive. This method reduced the fallow period and increased the amount of land under cultivation. The heavy plow, on the other hand, allowed farmers to cultivate heavier, clay-rich soils that were previously difficult to work with. This innovation made it possible to bring more land into agricultural production, further boosting food supply. These innovations, coupled with the use of horses for plowing, significantly increased agricultural productivity. Horses were faster and more efficient than oxen, allowing farmers to plow larger areas of land in less time. This led to population growth and the growth of towns and cities. As agricultural productivity increased, surplus food became available, supporting larger populations and leading to the development of more complex societies. The Second Agricultural Revolution was a pivotal moment in history, setting the stage for future advancements in agriculture and the eventual rise of modern civilization. The third agricultural revolution, also known as the Green Revolution, began in the mid-20th century. It was characterized by the development and widespread adoption of high-yielding varieties of crops. These included wheat, rice, and corn. The Green Revolution also saw the increased use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation. These advancements dramatically increased food production worldwide, helping to avert famines and improve the lives of millions. Ancient grains, modern tables, agriculture, and civilization. Agriculture played a crucial role in the rise of ancient civilizations. The surplus of food and resources allowed for the development of specialized labor, trade, and complex social structures. It also led to the growth of cities, which became centers of culture, learning, and innovation. Agriculture provided the foundation upon which great civilizations flourished, from the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia to the Nile River Valley.
Agriculture's impact extends far beyond the farm. It is a major driver of economic growth and development. It provides employment opportunities, supports rural communities, and contributes to national food security. Moreover, agriculture has shaped our culture, traditions, and even our language. Many festivals and celebrations around the world are rooted in agricultural cycles.
The price of progress, agriculture, and the environment. While agriculture has brought numerous benefits, it has also had significant environmental impacts. These include deforestation, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline. The use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides has also raised concerns about water pollution and soil degradation. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring the sustainability of agriculture and the health of our planet. As the global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. Climate change, resource scarcity, and evolving dietary preferences pose additional challenges to global food security. Addressing these challenges necessitates innovative solutions, including sustainable farming practices, precision agriculture, and the development of climate-resilient crops. The agricultural revolution was a defining moment in human history. It marked the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer societies to settled agricultural communities. This shift allowed humans to produce surplus food, which in turn led to population growth, the development of cities, and the rise of complex societies. It transformed human societies and laid the foundation for civilization as we know it. Ancient farming practices such as irrigation and crop rotation were innovations that increased agricultural productivity and sustainability. These practices not only supported larger populations, but also fostered trade and cultural exchange between different regions. Understanding the history and impact of agriculture is crucial for appreciating its enduring legacy and for addressing the challenges and opportunities facing agriculture in the 21st century. Today, agriculture faces numerous challenges, including climate change, soil degradation, and the need for sustainable practices to ensure food security for a growing global population. By learning from the past, we can develop innovative solutions to these pressing issues. From the first farmers who sowed seeds thousands of years ago to the modern agricultural scientists working to feed the world, agriculture remains central to our existence and will continue to shape our future. The enduring legacy of agriculture is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. As we look to the future, it is essential to honor this legacy by promoting sustainable practices, supporting agricultural research, and ensuring that the benefits of agriculture are shared equitably across the globe.